Hi guys, welcome to the very first episode of Sure Not, where we'll prove or disprove popular rumors and hearsay. In this episode, we're mad about our clawsome feline friends and apparently bad puns. We heard through the grapevine that petting cats reduces stress levels and lowers blood pressure. Sure or not? Today we're at a cat cafe with a total cat lady and not much of a cat person lady in an attempt to put the rumors to rest. We're here today with the girls from Strictly Speaking. So how do you girls think it's gonna go today?
Not well for me, man. I've got my palms are sweating, my armpits are sweating. I'm nervous. How about you?
Unlike Alina, I love animals and cats, so I can't wait to have fun actually.
Alright, I'm excited for the both of you, so let's get started. Meow.
That's how it works,
Am I unhealthy?
Oh god.
Oh, I don't like it when they do that.
Sweeping the butt also. I think cats are relaxing, but this what do you call it? This blood pressure.
It's stressful.
Yeah, because you squeeze your arm.
Okay.
Alright.
It's still much higher.
101 like by 3. So I guess I am just much more agitated by this blood pressure machine.
Where is this cat? Oh. Go cat!
It's done.
It's done. Okay, so 127. It must be much
Wait,
lower.
she's more relaxed. Well, it lowered her.
Yeah, so you should, you're a lot better.
So I guess like she just
Try
likes
conquered
to-
my fear.
Yeah,
she
exactly.
conquered. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm just agitated with the machine, I guess. Like cats against machine.
Okay. Here we go now.
Well, the cat's out of the bag. We have disproved the rumor that petting cats lowers blood pressure. While kitties may not be the best replacement for high blood pressure medication, they're sure fun to have around. And with that, we've come to the end of this month's episode. And in the style of Bob Barker's signature sign-off, this is Natasha reminding you, help control the pet population, have your pets spayed or neutered, and goodbye everybody. Are we done here yet? Can someone get me a lid roller? You're still here? If you're interested to see more, then stay tuned for next month's episode. Or if you would like us to investigate another myth, then tell us down below.